It's a cold day here at All You Need headquarters, so I'm going to make a decadent treat to start the day. So we have some ceremonial cacao here. Now I've got other staff coming today, so we've got enough for 3 portions. I've done 30 grams for each of us, so we've really got a beautiful start. With the ceremonial cacao, you can use anywhere from 25 grams to 40 grams if you want the full ceremonial dose. So we've got that in there. We're going to add a little bit of Plenish almond milk to start the process. Now, when you start this process, you want to do it so that you mix the cacao and it melts first so that you get a nice creamy thick paste. That's what we're looking for with the cacao. It's best to use wooden spoons, and look at this lovely spoon. I got this for my birthday from my husband. So we're putting the love in with the wooden spoon whilst we're making the cacao. Cacao is high in magnesium. It's also amazing for opening our hearts, connecting us into that lovely feeling of love. And what a better way to start the day than with that feeling of love and gratitude. So what we do as we go is, as it makes the paste, we just add a little bit more milk as we go. Just stirring it, melting all of that lovely cacao down. I love ceremonial cacao. Ceremonial cacao is the highest grade of cacao that you can get. And so it's heritage beans as well. And this is a really important thing, because when we're working with something, we want the best quality possible, especially when we're working with these amazing foods that are all about the heart and all about love. Cacao is also high in anandamide, which is a cannabinoid we make in our body. It's also known as the bliss molecule. So it helps us feel uplifted and happy. Right, we're getting a nice paste going here, so that's brilliant. So I'm going to add a little bit more milk now. I'm going to let that start to cook. What we're going to do in this cacao, whenever I have cacao, I always add coconut sugar to sweeten. So we've got some coconut sugar here. For 3 people, I'm going to do 2 dessert spoons of coconut sugar, but obviously sweeten to your taste. Coconut sugar or maple syrup are great ways to sweeten that are low on the glycemic index, so how they affect the body. Whenever I make cacao, I put medicinal mushrooms in to give it that nice balance to support mental health, clarity and focus. So I'm going to put 10 drops of my double strength medicinal mushroom tincture. And we're just going to give that a nice mix. And then we've got 2 lovely special treats. I've got here some chai masala spices from India, from a beautiful spice farm called Tanchika, which I'm actually off to very, very soon, taking a trip there on my retreat. And then, as the piece de resistance for this cacao, we're going to add a teaspoon of All You Need superfoods to give it that nice creamy loveliness. So we're going to add that in to the mix. Boom. All you need: ceremonial cacao, medicinal mushrooms and chai spices. What better way to start your day? So we have made a delicious cacao, and now we're going to pour it. Okay. Look at the lovely colour of that. Oh, that is going to be amazing fuel for our day. Beautiful way to start opening the heart, filling ourselves with love and gratitude, and honouring the beautiful plants and the mushrooms and all of Mother Nature for all she provides us. Cheers.